welcome back to Creative Crafticality. This is Plan With Me Mondays, and today I am going to be planning in my Big Happy Planner. First, I wanted to show you just a little mini haul. Since I've been on Instagram and YouTube, well, on Instagram anyways, I always see these peachy cheap deals pop up. And this was one of about 2 weeks ago, and it was for My Mind's Eye Meow collection. And this is what I want to use in my planner today because I just love how it has the greens in here for March. But I love cats. And so when this popped up on the Instagram, I went right over. I think it was like $8.99. And you got this pack of ephemera. It has some really super cute pieces. I'll take a few of them out here, but they're just adorable. There's some banners. This little milk one is adorable. I love cats. Catitude. Little bow. Ball of yarn. Meow. Just a bunch of fun things. So look, there's even the days of the week, so that'll be perfect for my planner. And that cat, isn't that adorable? More cats, just so cute. Tons in there. And then it has the coordinating sticker pack. Has a lot of the same pieces on here, but in sticker form. That's just adorable. And then it has some Project Life cards. Well, their version of Project Life. Journaling cards, I suppose they call them. It just has all those different images. Isn't that cute? All you need is love and a cat. That's so true. I want to pet every cat in the world. Every day is Catter Day. That's adorable. Cat hair is cool, people. Glitter. Well, I suppose, but I think I'd rather have, I don't know. We have a cat, we have a dog, and we just have cat and dog hair everywhere, and that's probably my least favorite thing about having a cat, but I live with it. I go through lots of hair roller things, lint rollers. Aren't those so cute? Just the cutest. Love it. Love, love. So adorable. And then it came with this 6x6 paper pad. And I haven't opened it up yet. Let me grab my scissors. There. Alright. Do a flip through here. So they're double-sided. That's nice. Look at that. Very cute. All right, I am so excited to do this spread right now because these are just such an adorable collection. All right, so let me I'll show you a few other things I'm going to use. I happen to have a scrapbook set, and I believe it was by Pebbles. I couldn't find it was all together with this, and the only thing that has a label on it has the Pebbles here, but it all seemed to coordinate, so I'm assuming it's all from that brand. But these are some papers here that I'm going to use, and they went perfectly with it, so I don't know, I don't know how much of it I'll use, but I have that to choose from. And then it came with some chipboard pieces. There was birds in there and flowers, so I think I'm going to use some of these here. It just has the same exact pink. So, and then I have some green and pink shimmery ribbon tape that I bought at the Daiso store, and then I also have some black and white washies here. That's from Recollections too, or also. So let's clear off and we will get started here. All right. So the first thing I do when I'm planning is I decide what I want to line my page with here. So I will do a combination of my ribbons and washi tape. So I will go ahead and do that and put you on fast forward. Alright, so now that I have everything lined the way I wanted with my washi and paper strips, now I'm going to go through and figure out where I want to place either my stickers or the die cuts that came in the pack. Alright, so I finished gluing all my embellishments down. I added some paper blocks here. Now I want to make a mini dashboard for the center because I like to put some notes, and I have these cards that came with the collection that I want to put in there too because I really love some of the prints on these papers, and I really want to be able to see them when I look into my planner. They're just so cute. So I found this green pattern paper that I have, a really thick cardstock. I don't know what it's from. It's just in my stash, but it goes along pretty well with this collection. So I wanted to layer some of the patterns of the paper to make pockets. So I'm going to glue these pieces on here with my tacky glue to make a pocket. Alright guys, here's my mini dashboard, and I'm going to go ahead and stick some of these in here for now, and when I have my notes that I write, I'll put those in there. Let's see, this one's cool. Look at this one. I speak fluent cat. That's so cute. Alright, and so lastly, I want to make a couple paper clips for the top. I think I'm going to use a couple of these cat little heads and just simply take a paper clip here and put some hot glue and squeeze it together on both sides. Like that. And then what I thought I would do is, I have this pom-pom. I just took a pom-pom from the crafts section at Michael's, and I used a big needle and threaded it with embroidery thread and went right through the pom-pom to make it like a little dangle. And my cat absolutely loves these pom-poms. She will play with them for days, and she'll even have like the tiniest little pom-pom, and she won't eat them. She'll just, she bats them around. They go under the couch, they go under the TV, and she'll find them. We'll find like a pile of them underneath when we go to clean, but she just absolutely loves these. She picks these over any cat toy any day. So I wanted to make one of these to go on a paper clip also. So I think I will use one of these flowers here, and then go ahead and tie the pom-pom to the paper clip and then glue the flower on top. also have this green flower that was from my monthly spread, so I'm going to go ahead and stick that on there too. So there we go. So here's my completed spread for March 6th through the 12th. I'll go ahead and take the dashboard out so you can see both sides first. But I just love the way this turned out. This paper pack is just the cutest thing, and I knew when I saw it on Instagram that I would want to use this in my spread. So check this out. It's the Meow collection from My Mind's Eye, but I picked it up at the Peachy Cheap Deals. And then here it is with the dashboard that I made. Just layered some paper and stuck the journal cards in here. So there it is. I hope you liked it. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Thank you for stopping by on Plan With Me Monday, and I will see you at my next video. Talk to you later. God bless. Bye.